Welcome back to another episode of Diamond Explosion. Here we go. I have another thing to show you. It is an app that you can download. It will help you activate mods. It is called Block Launcher. Okay, here we go. It's simple. It's just like Minecraft, but instead you have a whole bunch of different options. It all looks different. It looks like it was fucking barfed out and everything like that.
Dude, look at that. Watch. Dude, watch this.
And
Dude,
you...
really watch what it does.
Okay, just gonna let you know the graphics are a little shitty, but you can apply all of your mods that don't work on Minecraft Pocket Edition they work on here. All mods work on this app. And then later, once it gets used to it, you can apply them to Minecraft Pocket Edition. One of the things that I like about Block Launcher is that it uses TNT for the ground. So, yeah. Okay, it all looks pretty freaking weird, but you can apply almost any mod directly to this game. And it uses diamond for oak tree. So instead of you having to go look for diamond, you can just go mine a tree. There you go. You got diamond.
You know, you totally say that. Let's go mine a tree.
Okay. Let's go fly. Let's go see if we can find anything else that's so fucking bizarre in this thing. Oh, and one of the cool things about this is that everything for this almost stays the same. The zombies stay the same. Zombies stay the same. They don't look any different. And they have obsidian for lower purposes.
Dude, look at this. Oh crap.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have everything else in here looks about the same. All except for that glowstone looks like track, and a mushroom looks like a crafting table, and a whole bunch of other crap.
Dude, what are you playing?
And here we go, let's do this. There's a whole bunch of different stuff they have. This for snow. This is like snow for some reason. This I don't even get. This I don't understand. They use panels that have... Yeah, I don't understand it. But it is very fun and it is very easy to use. So after you use the mods a couple times to prove that they're safe to your Minecraft, just download them into your game, and then there you go, you've got mods. Okay, now let's go over here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what lava looks like. This is not even the lava. This isn't lava. This isn't even lava. This is lime stained clay. If you want lava, you have to go all the way over here and bucket of lava. There you go. See? The bucket of lava looks about the same. I mean, it looks the same to me, but I don't know about you guys.
Oh crap.
Okay, well, let's do this. Let's build a house. It's almost nighttime. And as you can see, this is clay. This is clay. And this is really fucking hard. It has the controls almost like Pocket Edition, except it's a little bit different. And crap, it's night. Crap. Okay. I guess these drop, so the clay is going to fucking not work. I will just have to work with what I can do. Which is this. Well, we're gonna be doing this for a while. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's drop. We're inside. Let's get a bed. I need a bed. Where's the bed? Okay, there we go. Found the bed. Let's just put the bed right there. Let's just get rid of those. It's a waste of time. And as you can see, the fucking bed looks like cake and mushrooms. There we go. I'm going to sleep in fucking cakes and mushrooms. Peace. Peace to sugar. I blame sugar. I blame sugar for all this shit. I mean, look at all this fucking... They look like fucking retards in this. I mean, if you want to really do this, yeah, the only thing that's really good about this is that you can apply your mods to it, otherwise, just don't even bother getting it. Just a pathetic waste of fucking time. I'm sorry, but it is. It's just, like, whoever created this, they are fucking dumbasses. Like, I would go up to them and punch them in the face just because they made this. That's how shitty this is. Oh my god. These controls are so sensitive. Okay, there. I built my first house in this fucking Wazoo game. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful time. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Sorry, that was on accident. Okay, I have to build a watchtower. Let's do this. Let's build a watchtower. This watchtower is looking pretty good so far. There we go, I built a watchtower. Thank you